Good morning, Art 2 Honors class. It's Friday, October 2nd, and we are all asynchronous today. I just want to show you the agenda right quick. Make sure that you watch the Ed puzzle. That's what you're doing right now. And answer the attendance question, please. You're going to turn in the proposal for the pen and ink assignment. It's not graded, so it's just ideas. You can email me for questions. Maybe out of pocket for a few days, but Sunday I might can answer some questions. Create pen and ink major project. You start your major project. Let's discuss a little bit more on that real quick. So don't forget to turn in your mini project. That's the one shape of your choice. Okay. And then make sure that you turned in your pen and ink practice. It looks like a few of you did not yet, so that's not good. It's going to be late. Pen and ink proposal. This is your thought processes, what's going on, and then your major pen and ink. Here's your rubric. Make sure you read all of these before you start with the ink pen. And you have it laid out. You can even email me. How about this, Miss Fox? Should I keep my focal point here? Because that's the main thing. Remember, position your paper, your focal point, high contrast, balanced, and space go together. Pen and ink techniques. What are you going to choose? What are you going to do? Is it all just hatching or stippling or is it all mixed? And you've used a lot of different techniques. It's your choice. Students work. Um, students work. Uh, Ethic is recognized. Students uses influences by their artists that is reflected in the work. And student adds personal work. So make sure that it's personal, okay? I'm going to move to the other one. Here, remember here, you might want to reread this. I had a student use watercolor paper. That is an option too. So go in here and get creative, okay? Um, See rubric before you start with the ink. Yes, you can outline the contour lines with pencil, but no pencil should be showing on the final product, okay? I think that's it. You guys work independently, use your time wisely. You have pretty much the rest of the 9 weeks. You will probably be working outside of class too. Okay, you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Bye.